morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 10.
It's noon.
It is noon, thanks Elspeth. It is noon and I've only just picked the camera up, but that is because we have our one-day intensive beginners sewing taking place. My lovely pupils behind me, busy stitching up their fabric boxes, and then as it is the last Friday of the month, it's Craft Club! Say hello everyone!
Hello everyone!
They're getting bored of it now. So there's not really going to be very much to show you today. Obviously beginners are doing what they always do, beginning, and what? They're beginning. So I will show you what I showed you. Elspeth's sewing a body.
I need a new body, and so I thought I'd sew one. Never again.
Is it that much of a pain?
Well, I'm being a bit ham-fisted. And I've made some really silly mistakes.
But you've made some silly mistakes, which has meant that I'm not going to make the same mistakes when I sew mine up.
I'm doing it for you, all for you.
Oh.
And the silly mistakes down there where no one's going to look.
Down where?
Up there.
Down there. And Kat's got a box.
I've got a box.
And a bag. Yeah, I'm not taking any picture, I'm videoing you.
And a bag.
And a bag. You've made a box and a bag. Look at that. Gosh, give us a twirl, Kat.
Impressive, isn't it?
It is a bit, yeah. You've made a bag too.
I know. She's filming you.
I am.
Look of amazement on her face.
I've made a bag. I've actually made a thing. Have you made something, Kaylee? Yes, she says. I've made something. I've made a bag too. And a box. Is anyone going to do what people like to do with these boxes, I wonder? Don't tell them, Elspeth. Let's just see if anyone's going to...
It would be, wouldn't it?
Typically it would be.
Hours ago.
Elspeth has just asked me if I'd like to banter her body. I think what she means is would I like to show you her beautiful new bodysuit that she has just sewn. Is that what you meant?
Yes, Claire.
Go over there then and give us a twirl.
Yes, Claire.
Got your yoga leggings on. It looks great with that. It is good though. Stop. Pose.
In what sort of way?
Just put your hands on your hips and
I'll put my hand on
there you go. You could do the Vogue, couldn't you?
Okay.
Vogue, strike a pose. Oh dear. You realise you look ridiculous.
I need long
cigarello. No, it's very nice though. I like
it's
it.
Alright, isn't it?
It is. And all of the dodgy bits are all down there.
There's dodgy around the neck as well.
Oh shush. It looks good. I'm looking forward to making mine now.
Yes, well you'll know what not to do now.
I will indeed.
Yes.
So our beginners have all finished beginning.
Yeah, they've begun.
They've begun. It's one of those days, isn't it?
It is, yes. It's Friday.
I have successfully cut out another one of these tops from some blue sparkly knit that I had left over knocking around in my stash. I have cut out a skater skirt for little Miss Mac from fabric I bought yesterday at the Stitch Festival. That is going to form part of her Luna Lovegood costume. When are you going to see this? Next Friday. I will put a picture here. Here is Luna Lovegood. Dead chuffed with that and how that worked out. I've also finished tracing off my indigo top and I am about to cut it out. I am trying to get lots of things cut out and prepared because tomorrow we have the lovely Charlotte back again, and she's going to be teaching a trouser workshop, and there is only 4 ladies on that workshop, so they will be in Unit 1, which means Unit 2 is completely free for me to play all day long.
Spoiled girl.
Spoiled indeed. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It is Saturday. We are well underway already. Your studio has been invaded by Dr. Jeans. Dr. Jeans. Dr. Jeans will get taken down now.
Yeah.
We have a trouser fitting workshop today at BTHQ for lovely ladies all tracing off their patterns and ready to have their bottoms inspected by Charlotte.
Crotches.
Crotches, or have they already been inspected? They've been
really
not in detail.
Not today, not yet.
I am working on some of my own projects today. I've got a nice play day. I'm doing some cricket projects and some sewing projects. So we shall see how the day goes. So I have just finished making my little top. I'm so happy with this. Let me put you up here and then you can see it. It's a luminous rainbow t-shirt and I absolutely love it. And I managed to take some pictures with it because the lovely Val bought me one of the little Bluetooth remote shutters, which is so cute of her. You got one too, didn't you?
I did, she's so nice.
She's so lovely. So if you want to see more of this t-shirt and how to do it, then I did put some stuff on Instagram stories, but I will be uploading a tutorial and also a tutorial on how to create your own SVG file. So I actually drew this rainbow myself on my daughter's iPad and I uploaded it to Cricut Design Space. So the whole project has been done myself, so I haven't used any purchased SVG files, so I'm very excited. And I used the happy fabric that I bought at the Stitch Festival and I absolutely love it. It's really nice to work with. Just give me the Mum of the Year award. Velvet skirt finished with matching scrunchies. It's beautiful! Look at them! Oh, it's great though. What a brilliant way of getting to shape. So this is the new 1/2 and 1/2, 3/4 length, knee length chap look.
Yes.
I think it's a hit.
Stylish.
Do you reckon? I think down the runways next year. BTHQ, you saw it here first. And another day is over at BTHQ. We've had 4 very happy campers go home with toiles of trousers, albeit some of them with the knees chopped out, but they have got patterns that now fit them, so they can now go home and make themselves a fancy pair of trousers. So Charlotte has surpassed herself again. I've had a really productive day. Not only did I finish Izzy's skirt and scrunchies, I made myself a Tilly and the Buttons indigo blouse, which I love and it fits really nicely. I made my little Cricut rainbow t-shirt, which I'm dead chuffed about, and I have almost finished sewing up another top. I'm making another one of these Simplicity 8089 Batwing topped out of some leftover sparkly knit fabric. So that just needs to be top stitched and hemmed, and that will be finished, so I'll probably get that done tomorrow. So tomorrow is Sunday and I am here again. We have our part 2 of our Zentangle Workshop, which I will be taking part of as a pupil, but I'm then going to stay on for a little bit in the afternoon and get some personal sewing done. So that will be very nice. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'm off to the cinema tonight. I'm going to go and see Homeward, the new Pixar film, and I have a feeling there may be tissues required. I'll let you know in the morning. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is time for a new camera battery. What day is it? Oh my goodness, it's Monday. We were actually here yesterday, Sunday, but I didn't pick the camera up at all. We had a Zentangle workshop with the lovely Hannah Geddes from Tanglewebbed Creations. She is running a series of Zentangle workshops and I've been taking part in them. So it was kind of a pupil day for me, which was really nice. Elspeth and I stayed on for a couple of hours in the afternoon. I did get a little bit of sewing done. I have cut out 2 bodysuits and finished off a top that I cut out previously. I have taken that home though, so I'm rubbish, I can't show you. And yeah, I've come in today. It's a making day today. I am filming a tutorial on how to make this t-shirt. And I have just made a cute little pair of tracky bottoms for little Miss Mac, and I did those without using my Cricut machine or my heat press. I wanted to, where's my phone, it's going mad today. I wanted to show how you could use the Happy Fabric vinyl if you didn't have a cutter or a heat press, because I appreciate not everybody's got those things. So that tutorial will probably be up on my channel already by the time you see this. I think it's going to go up on Wednesday. It just depends if I can get it all edited together. So I'm just about to sit down and film the to camera bits of that. And then I have a few hours and I need to crack on with the next Sewing Club project. So you probably won't see very much today. but I will pop on at the end of the day and show you what I got done. Good morning. Is it morning? No, it's 2:10 on Wednesday and I've only just picked the camera up, but we've been having a really nice day and everybody's busy squirreling. We've got a visitor today. Isabel's in. Oh, the sun, hang on. Isabel's come in. Say hello.
Hello.
She's sewing a wonderful skirt. Show us your fly, Isabel.
Oh, it's beautiful. If I say so myself.
She's very pleased with her fly.
I really am.
And I didn't teach you to do this. We need to say that. You did this of your own accord.
Yeah. I came in to get to the bit where I was stuck.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this little one. How cute
It's
is
so
that?
cute. And I love how you've used the selvage edge of the pocket of the fabric and turned it over to the top of your pockets to actually make a feature of it. I think that's really cute.
And
very nice.
the back.
Oh, let's admire your yoke. Beautiful. Look at that top stitching. Well done, well done. And can we just have a little moment of appreciation for Isabel's amazing trainers? Where are they from?
From Prague.
Prague. So you can't have them, but they are very happy. And then the girls here. What have you been doing today, Leslie? Zippy bits. The zippy bits for necessary clutch wallets. Look at that. It's going to go inside your card slots. Beautiful. Lovely. Lovely. And Anne's done hers. You're just pressing yours, aren't you?
Yes.
Super duper.
Handles.
Oh, and handles, yes. Handles and straps and wrist straps. Lovely jubbly. Super. I have been to the fabric shop this morning. Yes, I know I'm on a fabric ban, but I'm allowed to buy things for classes. And I have bought some quilting cotton because I am going to be doing Charlotte's improv quilting class with her on Sunday as a pupil. I'm looking forward to that. And so I'm allowed to buy that because it's materials for a class. And I have basically spent the morning sorting out patterns, printing off things for classes, prepping and generally pottering around, so I don't have anything to show you. I have got a couple of hours this afternoon though when I am going to do some sewing or cutting out anyway, and I've got the Tilly and the Buttons Tabitha t-shirt from her new book and I'm going to cut that out of my black velour and make myself a sweatshirt, so I'll see you later. Isabel's finished her skirt. Well, almost. You haven't put a button on it yet, have you?
No, button's going to be like
Button's going to be there.
That button.
Ta-da!
So we
That's
can
looking
imagine it with
really
the button on.
cute. You can give us a twirl. It fits really nicely.
I like it.
I love those trainers. They're just amazing. Fab. So another day at BTHQ and another week is over. We are now moving into BTHQ week 11, which is really quite frightening. I was only saying to little Miss Mac the other day that at the end of this month we're already a quarter of a way through the year, which is quite frightening. So I have been busy stitching up my Tilly and the Buttons Tabitha top today. Let me show you. Just a plain black long sleeve t-shirt, but I added a waistband and cuffs to it. It's really easy to sew. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen on Instagram stories that I plan on placing mother across the front in leopard print vinyl, and I've had a little test of the vinyl to check that it works on the velour. It's all good, so tomorrow I will be cutting that and getting that stuck on. And I realised I didn't show you this the other day. This was the project that I was working on for the So Beautiful Things Sewing Club. It is a jewellery roll, and as you can see it's got a button fastening. I know I taught you about it, but I don't think I showed you. I'll get home to edit this and realise I did show you after all. But when you open it up, you can see it's got a slip pocket here and a zip pocket here. There's a ring holder, a little elasticated slip pocket. There's then a little bar with eyelets in it that you can put your stud earrings in. Another little bar with hook loops that you can hook your bracelets and necklaces in. And then another little zippy pocket inside there. And it all rolls up and does up with a buttonhole fastening on the flap. I am so proud of this project. I absolutely love to reverse engineer things and create stuff from scratch, and I absolutely promise you I have followed no patterns whatsoever to create this. all I did was go online to Google Images, put jewellery roll in, picked sort of 4 or 5 jewellery rolls that I like the look of, took lots of the little components and then basically worked out how to create it and made it up as I went along. So I have got the pattern all written down. I'm going to make another one this week just to make sure that it's all correct and I'm happy with it, get the instructions finalised and film it, and then that will be going out to our Gold Sewing Club members. So you can't join the Gold Sewing Club, you can only be promoted into the Gold Sewing Club once you've finished in our Silver level Sewing Club. So if you want to get your hands on this, then you need to join our Silver level Sewing Club, work your way through the projects in that, and then you'll be upgraded to the Gold one. And this is the 3rd project in the Gold level Sewing Club, and it really does teach you so many skills. So I will link details of the Sewing Club down below. I'll put the Bronze level in because the Bronze is the beginner level. You then get promoted up to the Silver level and then up to the Gold level, but you can join at Silver if you want to, if you don't think that you are a beginner. So I'll let you make your own decisions. So the links for that are down below. Yeah, haven't really got anything much else to tell you. Tomorrow I have another play date with Elspeth. We are going to be working out all of the activities for our Beautiful Things mini craft retreats, which have gone on sale. Again, I'll pop some details down below for you. We're doing days here where you're going to do 4 different craft activities throughout the day and just have a completely lovely, mindful, relaxing day. And there are dates for midday and weekend, so go and check that out too. So we will be playing with those projects tomorrow. We won't be sharing them on social media or in the public because it is a bit of a secret, the activities that you're going to be doing, because everybody said they didn't want to know exactly what they would be doing, and they wanted to just be given a rough idea. So that's what we've done. So over and out, I'm going to say goodbye and I will see you all again next week. Thank you very much for watching as always. Bye!